你好，大家. The sentence structure that we're looking at here, you can see at the top. I'm going to handwrite it so you can see the stroke order. Okay, and what we have got here is we have got 如果. Hopefully that word there is familiar to you. 如果 means if something or other. 的话, comma. This 的话 puts a condition on, so it's like if it's the kind of situation. So here I would translate 的话 as circumstance, situation, condition. Then we've got 就, a word we often use in Chinese to mean then or perhaps therefore. Something or other, full stop. So what we've got is 如果 something or other, 的话, 就 something or other. So if we've got the conditions for this thing here, then this will happen. Okay, so writing everything in your books that you can see on the screen there, including use this sentence structure when discussing possibilities and connecting a condition with the consequence. So if something, then something. Okay, the first example sentence we're going to look at. Just give you a minute to look at that there, see what you can recognize. Okay, so we have got 如果下雨的话就不去海滩. I'll write the pinyin in there for you. 如果下雨的话就不去海滩. Okay, if we're looking for meaning there, we've got 如果 if 下雨的话下雨 if it's raining, if the rain is falling, raining 的话. So if it's the case that it's raining, if it's the condition that it's raining, if the circumstances are that it's raining, 就 then 不去 don't go to 海滩 the beach. 如果下雨的话就不去海滩. And the second example sentence that we're going to look at is this one here, so I'll just let you read through. So what we have got here, 如果你先做作业的话你就可以去看电影. So if we go through with the pinyin there, we have got, starting off, 如果你先做作业的话 comma 你 就可以去看电影. And reading for meaning there, we have got, if you first do your homework 的话, so if the case is that you do your homework first, you then can go to see a movie. You can go to the movies afterwards. 如果你先做作业的话，你就可以去看电影。如果你先做作业的话，你就可以去看电影。So the only difference, I guess, in there is that you can see before the 就 we have got 你. So sometimes you can, if you're wanting to emphasize the person, perhaps you can put that before the 就. Most of the time the 就 will be the first character, first word after the comma, the beginning of the second clause, but not always. So what I would like you to do now is I'd like you to write 3 sentences using the 如果的话就 sentence structure. In your books, I'd like to see characters, pinyin, and English, and relate it to the topics that we've been covering in class recently. And if you need a bit more guidance, a few more examples, you'll see those coming up on the next slide. But before you go ahead with any other activity, I really would like you to just focus on writing your 3 sentences. Thank you. Okay, and what you can see on this slide here is on the left-hand side, so all of this is taken from Chinese Pod. On the left-hand side, you can see some examples of 如果的话 sentences. What you'll notice is that only the middle one, only the second one, has also got 就 in it. So you can see that you can have 如果的话 sentences without necessarily having 就. It's often implied that, the second clause in the sentence will be a consequence or a result of the conditions set up in the first half of the sentence with 如果的话. If we look at the first sentence, 如果你肚子饿的话，我有面包。如果你肚子饿，肚子 is your stomach. 肚子饿, we're very familiar, is hungry. It's been translated here as not if your stomach is hungry, but if you're hungry. So that's our way of saying, I'm hungry. You can say 我肚子饿. In this case, 如果你肚子饿的话，我有面包. I have some bread I can give you. The second sentence here, 如果你不喜欢他的话，我就不请他来。请 means to invite, 来 means to come. So 如果你不喜欢他的话, if it's the case that you don't like him, well then I won't invite him to come. A third one here, 你如果很有钱的话，想买什么？有 we know means have, 钱 we know means money. When we put those together, 有钱 means rich. 有钱的人, rich people. So in this one, 你如果很有钱的话, if you were extremely rich, or if you were very rich, 想买什么? What would you like to buy? And then on the right-hand side, you can see the little dialogue from Chinese Pod. You should be able to find this online if you'd like to listen to the full lesson. And going through here, 你说明天中午一起吃饭，要吃什么？吃海味怎么样？ 我昨天去吃了活鱼生吃，别再吃海味了。那我们去野餐。如果下雨的话怎么办？下雨的话就后天再一起吃饭吧。So you can see we've got the 如果的话 in there. 如果的话. Just another example of how you can bring it into conversation. You'll notice there's no 就 there, similar to some of the sentences on the left. It's not essential that we need 就 if it's obvious that it's a consequence.